Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be switching a cabin air filter inside this Jeep Wrangler. This is a 2015 JK, if you're curious. So the first thing you're going to notice is we have ourselves our new air filter. This is our cabin air filter number. There's actually two little filters in here, but let's quickly get in behind the glove box. First thing you're going to need to do, open this. Yours is probably full of stuff, just like mine. So if you grab the side of this, it's going to be harder for me to show you. Let's see if I can reposition our light. It is right here. You're going to squeeze. See how I squeeze? There's the little tab. So you're squeezing it in. And once you squeeze it in, you work one side out. There's a noticeable pin pop. I'm going to put this down. Once you flip your two little clips right here up, so one's there and one's on the other side right beside it, you'll see it. You just grab it and pull this towards you. See, it just pops out like so. Once you've removed that grate, next thing you're going to do is put your vehicle into the on position, but don't start it. You hear your key make the annoying sound. See how if you press here, see, bam, now it goes into recirc. Oh look, that pops open. So if you look inside, you'll see a tooth right here, right behind that zap strap of mine. There's a tooth there and a tooth at the end. So if you take your air filter, and you'll see that there is an arrow that is aiming, you want to make sure it aims down, because that's the way that our airflow is going. And you're going to slide it under that hook. See how it's under the tooth? And you're going to slide it until it's under both teeth. So the one at the far back, right down there, so you can see there's a little piece of bevel right there. So that sticks out, this sits right here. Now take your last filter and put it in the other side. So pretty easy, once you get that screen on, you're good. You might notice that your flapper is still half open, which is perfectly fine. If you put it into recirc mode, you will see it of course open all the way. If you turn it off recirc mode, like, let's show you. Best way to do it is just to show you. So we're gonna put it to on and check it out. See how it's completely closed now? Watch this. I'm going to hit recirc mode. It's going to go all the way up because now it's recirculating the air that is happening within the vehicle. If I turn that recirculation button off, sorry again about the lighting, it's brutal, but the recirculation button is pretty simple. I'll pull this light out one more time to show you. That is the recirculation button. So when you click that, you'll see that open. When you click that off like it is, that closes, because what it's doing is it's no longer cycling throughout the vehicle. Alright, now that we've done that, we've changed our air filters. You're going to notice a big improvement. Again, some people don't remove this plastic grate when they're doing it. I find it easier if you do, it's less knuckle bashing. And then now to put your glove box in, pretty easy. Look on the bottom of your glove box, you'll notice two teeth. Put the two teeth on here. These two wires for me are because I have my aftermarket stereo here. I have an install video if you want to see that, but either way, grab these two wires, throw them if you have wires, put them in your glove box, put your two hooks in here, and then you're just going to squeeze both sides of the glove boxes so those pins go in around the edges. And that's all there is to it. You've just put some filters inside your cabin air. You're probably going to smell a lot better in here when you're running it. For me, I just noticed that sometimes I'd be like, oh my, what's that smell? And it would just be just water or whatever was sitting up in the cowl up top. Again, that's another thing you can always clean. That's those vents at the very edge of the windshield there. Not on the inside, on the outside. The ones in here are your defroster. The ones on the outside by your windshield wiper motors are the ones I'm talking about. Either way, what I'm going to do now is just put my glove box in. Thanks again for watching. Press a like if you liked the video. Press subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching.